Welcome back, guys. As you can see, it's back. It's back in the yard after 10 years. 2015, it was in the carport. Still all together in blue. Now it's back here. It's time to get into what I've got to do next. And before I do that, I'll go through, explain what I've done and what I'm about to do. Okay, so what have I done? Stripped the car down. The first thing was the cab. So the cab's been fully off. Right back to the chassis. Now, the chassis I had taken to a professional rust proofer, and they resprayed the whole thing for me. Not sandblasted. They, I think, hot pressure cleaned it, hot steamed it. Got all the grease and everything off. And I was really lucky, no rust in this. I'll give that a good wash down. The whole frame is really good. The only thing with there is the spare tyre, spare wheel support. That there I'll have to, of course, put a new one in. Do something about that later on. The back end I've done nothing to. While we're here, the fuel tank. The fuel tank, I pulled that out and completely rejuvenated inside. Put a professional cleaning kit through it. That was, so it's been sitting there. Hopefully there's no rust inside. I don't think I had any fuel. It's got a new sender that I put in arse about, I think, from memory. So yeah, it was all nice and high gloss black. What else? This bracket here I had made up, so it's exactly the same as the other one, and it just had a fair chunk of rust. Can't remember exactly where, but I had that at an engineering firm. They made it exactly the same to spec again. That was that's that there. What else? Before we go inside the cab, the front, nothing's been done to the suspension yet. No bushes. As you can see, that's the when it was resprayed a long time ago. So all new bushes and everything will go in the front end eventually. The cab, it's been thoroughly. When I took it off, I spent weeks and hours and weeks and months getting that back off, except for the outside. I'll throw a video up somewhere about when it was in epoxy, got it sandblasted. What else we got up here? The power steering pump, same thing, long time ago. I took that in, they've got professionally resealed, stripped down and whatever they did, new bushings and seals. That still hasn't been touched. The intermittent steering wheel arm, I'd pulled that out and replaced, re-greased it, put a new boot in here. So I did a video on this, stripped it all apart. Booster's been taken off, taken back, everything's been taken back to bare metal. It's back on, of course. Firewall, it's just all stock standard because I want to get through a roadworthy, and I'm not going to go down the road of making this into something a lot harder than I need to. That's not going to fit or not going to get through. It's going to be hard enough, I can just tell, getting through a roadworthy because they're just normally a bit of a pain. What else have we got? These tyres, I'm surprised. These tyres are still going. There was years ago, about the second year in, there was one had a big bubble in it somewhere, a big egg. So these tyres, they cost me I think $38 each, retreads. What else have we got coming around? All this wiring harness, this loom, I'm going to replace that. I'm going to give that a go myself. Replace the whole lot. The hinges are original. I've had these pins redone and new springs, I think it was. What else have we got inside? I might talk about the panel work. So I'll put some other videos up here about the cowling. So this was Mark's repaired all this. I think in here was some. The rest inside was really good. Nothing inside here. The other side on the other cowl was done as well. What else? That's about all there. Of course, in these sills on both sides, they've been replaced on both sides. What's that bit of bird poo? As you normally get the corrosion in there, so they'll cut right out. And Mark did an absolutely great job. It's really good. If you notice something, I'll go around the other side and see if you can notice anything that's a bit different in this area. Let me know in the comments or down below. The floor. Okay, so the floor itself, this pan here, it's got a lot of seam sealer and I think it's KBS paint over it now, but this panel has been fully replaced. I think there was a couple other little rust sections Mark fixed up. There's that horrible harness, that's all going to go. What else have we got in here? While I'm on this side, the dash. So Mark, that was taken out, steering column was out as well. Mark's resprayed that for me. The dash was in a really bad condition, but Mark did a good job of fixing it up. There's a little bit of a one here, and in the center is still a little bit of a crack there, but I'm going to have a dash mat on it more than likely, and yeah, that's come up a lot better than it was, believe you me. What else did we have? Going back inside, as you can see, this was done when I got the car, so this parcel shelf was made, and I'm going to tidy that all up, make it useful, and put that'd be my gun rack. No, if it was back in the 70s it would be. What else? I think that was pretty much it. The floor on the other side, so we'll go back around. This floor, it's all new. This section through here, Mark just I bought 2 new replacement panels, and I'm pretty sure he just cut the whole lot out, whacked that new one in. The heater box, and that's back inside. I'm just going to get it with the heater for the roadworthy, and later on, or before the roadworthy, I'm not too sure, but I'm eventually going to put an aftermarket AC in here, so no compressor outside, and there's plenty of room for what I'm going to do. These hinges were done. Get out of the light. This whole cowl pan, bottom sill, sorry, this whole bottom sill has been redone. Let me know in the comments if you can see anything. This area here that might be a bit different. Hey, enough. As you can see, the lino's all out up top, of course. I've gone through about 2 days ago, and as you can see here, I rust proofed it. So I put an extra hole here and made up a nozzle with a length of hose and pushed it all the way back in here. I'll show you the hose in a minute, but that's all been like it's all gooing out everywhere, dribbled out, all the rust kill. In here, in this vent here, I've sprayed up, sprayed down, got inside, all up inside here, and along the other side, right over there above the drivers, right in along there, all the way around, and then back around to this side. This back parcel shelf, sprayed in all here, nooks and crannies, all the way along inside. This panel here is blocked underneath, so I didn't drill it out, sorry, there's a hole I think already in the middle there. Sprayed heaps of rust proofing in there, like lanolin I used. Anywhere I could get, like stick it in and hopefully give it a lot of treatment with it's a rust preventative type stuff. So I think that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do next is the floor. So this is the thing, guys, I'm new to this, so I'm going to need some help with where should I start, what should I do next, and that's going to be governed of course by what we don't have a lot of. So I'm starting off with the floor and then maybe the wiring. Not too sure, so let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear some feedback of what I should do next, or before I go too far and, you know what I mean, do something and I've got to pull it apart and then do something else. So give me some ideas, that'd be great, guys. It's going to be a slow process, of course. So thanks for watching, guys, and stick around, see what I'm going to do next. Probably going to be possibly the floor, the sound deadening. Okay, alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.